How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, and WWDC has come, and there've been some interesting things during WWDC. There's the macOS Mojave, and there's of course iOS 12 beta for developers. And I currently have it installed on my phone right now, my iPhone 7, but I don't think I can show you too much about it because it's under like some confidentiality. But I do have it on my iPhone 7 here. I can just prove that to you. So iOS 12, which is pretty cool actually. So I'm just going to show you how to get iOS 12 on your device. So what you want to do is get this profile, and to get this profile you want to head over to iosbetas.me, and right there you can see the iOS 12 beta profile. Now this is not a very good source to get this, but considering this pretty much one of the only sources you can get the profile, because Apple only releases it to developers. So you just want to go to this link, and your download for the profile will start not too long from now. So there it is, and you just want to click install after you skip the ad. And yeah, you can also get the macOS Mojave, although it says Mojave here, but it's actually Mojave, not, I'll probably leave the name right there. Well, yeah, iOS 12, I haven't seen so much performance difference. It really looks the same, to be honest. I don't know, when I do have the opportunity to actually share my thoughts on iOS 12, I'll make sure to do that. But yeah, the link is in the description, iosbetas.me. It's going to take a while to download. It's about a 2 gig file or so. So you just want to let that sit, and it's going to update itself, and you'll be pretty much right where you started off. Now there are some bugs in this, so be mindful of that. It's still in beta, and it's the first beta at that. But yeah, do enjoy playing with iOS 12. You also have to send feedback to Apple so they can develop iOS 12 and find bugs. But yeah, iOS 12, it seems like it's going on a good path, although not having too many like differences from iOS 11. But yeah, Yomtosh here, signing out. Peace.